In this video, we'll learn to add quality control buttons to our game. I'm using this panel that me and my 37 subscribers created in the last video. So let's get started. First, we'll add a button to our canvas and resize it a bit, so it looks good. Now we'll duplicate that button 2 times and arrange them properly. Also we'll change the text of all the 3 buttons to low, medium and high. Now let's write the code for our buttons. I'll write the code in an existing script that I have for the menu. You don't have to write all this code, as this is for the volume slider. You can check out the tutorial for the volume slider here. For our graphics buttons, we only need 3 functions, so let's create them. We'll create a public function and name it low, and in the function we'll write this line of code that's going to change our quality settings. I'll explain how it works in a moment. Now copy and paste the function 2 times, and change the name of the 2 functions to medium and high, and also change their index to 1 and 2. Save the script, and in Unity, select the low button, hit the plus button, then drag and drop the object that has the script attached. In the drop-down, go to our script and select the low function that we created for it. Do the same for the medium and high buttons, and assign them their functions. Now, go to Edit, then Project Settings, and then Quality. Here you can see these different graphic settings available for our game, but as we just created 3 buttons, so we'll only keep the very low, medium, and ultra settings and delete the rest. In the script we assign different numbers to each function, and here's how it'll work. Number 0 will set our quality setting to the first quality setting in the project settings. Number 1 will set it to second, and number 2 will set it to the third. Now let's hit play, and check it out. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine.